Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of disabled accounts on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled accounts on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then we can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.